Today we're doing 3.6, solving linear systems in 3 variables. So we have 3 equations, so we need 3 different variables. So we are doing elimination. It is a lot like what we did elimination the other day. There are a few more steps, so let's go over them. So our steps. Our first step, do elimination and get rid of one variable. Okay, we're going to do this to get equation 4. So I'm going to actually label these equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. It'll be helpful to see that in a minute when I start moving these around. You're going to be able to see which equation I got from where. Okay, so it doesn't matter which two, which variable you go for first, but we're going to eliminate one of them. We have 2y, negative 2y, and a y. These are pretty easy to do. So I'm going to take equation 1, which is x plus 2y minus 3z equals negative 2. And I'm going to take equation 2, which is 2x minus 2y plus z equals 7. We're going to do elimination just like we did the other day. So these are exactly the same, but opposite symbols or signs. We're going to cross them out because we are adding these here. So 1 plus 2 is 3x. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2z. And negative 2 plus 7 is equal to positive 5. This is now our new equation 4. So we have to get a new equation. Notice this one, we got rid of a variable. You have to get rid of a variable. Okay, so step 2, do elimination with the last or the leftover equation to get rid of the same variable. And this is going to make equation 5. So we have not done 3, so we need to do 3. And it doesn't matter if we do 1 or 2. I'm going to choose 2, but that's just because this is a negative and this is a plus. So 3 is x plus y plus 2z equals negative 4. 2 was 2x minus 2y plus z equals 7. I can't add these just yet because this is a 1 and this is a 2. We have to make them both 2's, one being positive, one being negative. So I'm going to take equation 3 and take all of this times a 2 to get this to be a 2 here. So 2 times x, gives us 2x. 2 times y gives us 2y. 2 times z gives us 4, or 2z gives us 4z. And don't forget over here, 2 times negative 4 makes negative 8. This one already had a negative 2 and we wanted it to be opposite of positive 2. So this one is done and just comes straight over. So 2x minus 2y plus z equals 7. So we're going to add them again. So 2x plus 2x makes 4x. 2y minus 2y plus negative 2y goes away. 4z plus 1z is plus 5z. Negative 8 plus 7 equals negative 1. So this is equation 5. Okay, step 3. Once again, you're going to do elimination, this time with new equations 4 and 5 to get rid of another variable. So I'm going to rewrite these here. So equation 4 was 3x minus 2z equals 5. That's from up here. And equation 5 is 4x plus 5z equals negative 1. So this is like what we did the other day, exactly like it now. So you choose which two do you want to eliminate. I'm going to choose z just because one is already positive and one is negative. So 2 and 5 both go into 10, so 2 times what gives us 10? 2 times 5, and 5 times 2 gives us 10. So this 5 goes to all, so 5 times 3 is 15x. 5 times negative 2 makes negative 10z, and 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is, 8x. 2 times 5z is plus 10z. And then 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Once again, we add these. Now 15 plus 8 gives us 23x. Negative 10z plus 10z goes away. 25 plus negative 2 equals 23. Now we have to solve for x. Okay, so divide by 23, x equals 1. Okay, now we're going to come back over here to our steps. Now that we've solved that, we're going to plug this variable into either equation 4 or 5, whichever one is up to you. So we had 4 was a 3x minus 2z equals 5, and 4x plus 5z equals negative 1. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to choose just equation 4. So 3 times 1 minus 2 times z equals 5. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 2z equals 5. Minus 3. Negative 2z equals 5 minus 3 is 2. Divide by negative 2. Z equals 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. Okay. Step 5. Plug the two found variables into either equation 1, equation 2, or equation 3. Once again, you choose. So I'm going to come back up here and look at my 3 equations. I have x and I have z, so it really does not matter which one I do. It is completely up to you to choose which one you're going to do. Okay, I am going to just choose one of them, so in this case just the first one. That first one said x plus 2y minus 3z equals negative 2. So x was 1 plus 2y minus 3, and we found z was negative 1 equals negative 2. So 1 plus 2y negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3 equals negative 2. Combine like terms, 1 and 3 make 4 plus 2y equals negative 2. Solve for y. So minus our 4, 2y equals negative 6. Divide by 2, y is equal to negative 3. Okay, now our last step, we need to write our answer as an ordered triple. That is when you have x, comma, y, comma, z. So we have x was 1, y is negative 3, and z is negative 1. This is our answer.